Hi everyone, I'm Akanksha Gupta. A very warm welcome to the first episode of the podcast series from the House of Amantya, where our leadership and domain specialists will be sharing their views on next gen technologies from 5G, IoT, cloud, smart edge, and many more. The topic for episode 1 is Understanding 5G technology and its potential. And today we are in conversation with Amantya's 5G specialist and AVP pre sales, Gaurav Saini. We will be chatting with Gaurav on 5G, the latest generation of telecommunication, and how is it bringing sweeping transformation to all aspects of our lives. Hi Gaurav, wonderful to kickstart the Amantya's podcast series with a session on 5G and to have you with us to share your expert views.
Hi Akanksha, happy to be here. It's always exciting to talk about 5G and its potential, to share my understanding and experiences of 5G, how 5G will add immense value to our business operations and even to our day-to-day lives, how 5G will help us maximizing the benefits of these next generation technologies like AI, ML, AR, VR, robotics, and many more. And that's just the tip of iceberg, which 5G is presenting us with.
Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. So, Gaurav, what opportunities has 5G presented over the legacy network?
Well, Akanksha, 5G is taking world by storm. It's a generational leap when we talk about the legacy 4G networks. 5G has opened various opportunities and unprecedented value additions to business operations across industries and even for consumers. 5G comes with new capabilities, opening up new spectrum into millimeter wave, presenting with new core architecture, where we separate the control and user plane, and with the new radio architecture. With the fourth generation of telecom network, which we saw coming up a decade ago, we noticed acceleration in app domain and mobile video. Today, 5G has a new platform coming up with various new innovations and underlying characteristics.
Okay, so what are those characteristics, Gaurav?
So today, 5G compared to older generation is characterized by a high multi-Gbps data speeds, ultra low latency, enhanced reliability, and then more uniform and immersive user experience featuring those capabilities for which brings an exponential growth base for carriers and even industries in future. This is a huge leap from the current legacy networks.
Oh, that's really great. So, if I ask, what are the features it supports, Gaurav?
So 5G feature sets. Let's start with network slicing. Network slicing enables multiple users to have different slices for their different use cases. Quality of service from QoS in LTE to 5QIs in 5G, which are totally enhanced for various new use cases. Enhanced mobile broadband, which supports up to multi Gbps throughput, and then enhanced ultra reliable low latency communication, which can support a latency up to 1 milliseconds.
So, Gaurav, what industries do you think will benefit the most from 5G?
So 5G comes with new capabilities and opportunities for networks. Today 5G is enabling new innovation use cases that brings greater value to organizations across industries, be it from manufacturing, education, healthcare, and various government bodies for their different use cases. Automotives and logistics are another one which 5G is going to enhance or increase the productivity.
Okay, can you please explain more for each industry as you mentioned manufacturing, education, healthcare, etc.?
Yes, I was about to come to that. Let's start with manufacturing.
Mhm.
With the onset of Industry 4.0, where automation is the key to achieving greater operational excellence, bringing new flexibility at lower cost, and the playing field is moving to an altogether different level. 5G is emerging as a powerful game changer. Then it comes for education. 5G is making learning more interactive and immersive. It's helping improve access to learning, particularly at rural areas. We know from the studies that children attain only 10% of what they read. But if they learn it immersively, they can retain up to 90% of what's learned. And then we know digital collaboration will bring personalized learning experiences. Let me talk about healthcare. 5G promises to bring a totally new level of connectivity to enable new health ecosystem. With its new feature set, which enables thousands of connected devices and sensors, which enables patients and providers to meet remotely or maintain a on real-time diagnostic of their ecosystem. When we talk about 5G, the ultra low latency is promising for a remote surgery where a surgeon can be in London and surgery can happen in New York.
Wait, Gaurav. I'm sorry to interrupt you here, but you were saying remote surgery, is it?
Yes, Akanksha, I'm not kidding. Remote surgery. 5G is enabling remote surgery where a surgeon can be in London and the patient can be in New York. Not even remote surgery. 5G is enabling a high throughput network which allows transferring and storing of large medical files, tracking patients, connected medical equipments, and staff movement and safety, delivering continual and timely support for the patients.
Okay. So, Gaurav, can you mention some prominent use cases that you would like to speak about and how they will transform the digital landscape globally?
Definitely. So, among some of the 5G use cases that are already making up a difference, remote patient monitoring and surgery that we have already talked about. Then, remote and distant learning with high quality video and immersive learning experience with new learning platforms over AR and VR. Then, autonomous operations in agriculture and integration of 5G drones, which increases productivity and even reducing the use of fertilizers or pesticides. Then, enabling the use of real time sensors coupled with image and video processing for various safety and improved efficiency, ensuring AGVs, autonomous guided vehicles, across different manufacturing and warehouse facilities.
Mhm. So, then how does Amantya propose to be a change maker in the 5G ecosystem, Gaurav?
Definitely. That's a good question.
Mhm.
Over past few years, Amantya has been rapidly evolving in this global 5G ecosystem. In fact, recently we won Best SME in Telecom Ecosystem Award at India Mobile Congress 2022, which was held in New Delhi. This further motivated us to move ahead this 5G value chain. In terms of a 5G accelerator, which includes network in a box, which is our star product, and then 5G standalone core, UPF, and 5G core as a service. We use this accelerator to provide solutions like private 5G networks to government led nation building initiatives to global carriers, OEMs, and enterprises. Our 5G network in a box for creating on the go 5G lab with its plug and play deployment mode. We are also involved in a lot of system integrations and porting capabilities that provide network services on RAN and 5G core. Our team is fully focused on working on robotics, MEC applications, and network slicing, to name a few. Amantya is also offering 5G testing services into core, RAN. We also do performance benchmarking, GCF conformance testing, which is for UE, and then MIMO testing.
Oh, that's exciting.
Uh,
Please continue.
Together with this, there are other factors which help us establish as a change maker in this global 5G ecosystem. We have a strong leadership team of 20 plus years of individual experience in this global telecom industry. Our proven record of timely deliverables to our customers, and then diverse global clientele that includes tier 1 carriers, various government and defense sector customers, and then, of course, the beloved private enterprise market enabling Industry 4.0 use cases.
Thanks, Gaurav. This was most insightful. 5G is indeed promising to transform the digital landscape in ways none of us could have imagined.
Thanks, Akanksha. Yes, 5G is going to be a game changer, and all of us at Amantya are excitedly looking forward to being an active partner in this digital revolution that is being unraveled by 5G. And it's a pleasure chatting with you about 5G.
Pleasure is mine, Gaurav. So that's a wrap for episode 1 of Amantya podcast series, where the topic of conversation was understanding 5G technologies and its potential. Hope it was an informative session for our listeners. Signing off till next time, a big thank you from Team Amantya to all our listeners. Thank you.